Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out. Take one chicken breast and slice it into nice thin slices. Just like this. Now our flour, we're going to add some crab oil seasoning. Now some sage. Some thyme, oregano, cumin, last but not least, some black pepper. Whisk the ingredients together. Now we'll add our chicken, give it a good toss, and evenly coat. In another bowl, we'll stir an egg and some heavy whipping cream together. Then dunk every individual chicken slice and add to the flour. Fully coat every piece to get that extra crispy coating. Add the chicken to your fryer when the oil temperature reaches 375. Be sure not to overlap the chicken slices by spreading the pieces out evenly. You do this by dropping them over the top in different areas and they'll fall straight to the bottom. This will allow each chicken slice, each tender, to cook evenly. When the cooking is done, the chicken will float to the top. Ta-da! As you can see, our chicken has risen. It is now time to pull it out of the fryer. It has that nice golden crispy texture that everybody wants on their chicken, and we'll just allow that to drip dry. Plating is easy. Just a few paper towels, spread them out evenly, and add your favorite dipping sauce. I'm going to use blue cheese. That's my favorite. And there you have it. Nice, tender, crispy chicken tenders. Right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by poormansgourmetkitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.